first plank as soon as. Hey, Tyke! Tyke! Fish! I got a fish! No, it's okay, don't worry about it. Alright, little pikey. Stay still, man, stay still. There we go, we're out. Don't worry, I'll put him down. Alright, there he is, first fish. Mwah. Alright, now the fun part. So I need another minnow. That guy doesn't look like he's doing so well. Still trying. Alright, another minnow. See if we can show this. In through. Don't go through the brain, don't go through the brain. Good enough. Alright, now I'm gonna put him back in the hole. Battery's almost dead though, so hopefully I catch one more. I really want this thing to go off, but I think I'm gonna save my battery. Alright, fish number 2. He's a lot bigger than the first one, but there's my boot to compare. Same hole, got it from the same spot. That must be my money hole. Alright buddy, let's get the hook out of here, huh? Let's get the hook out of here, huh? Let's get this hook out of here. Stay still. Stay still. I said stay still. Stay still. Stay still. I know it sucks. There. We're free, huh? Okay. Back in the hole now. Alright. Back in the hole. Alright, as soon as my uncle left, I start catching fish. Go figure, huh? Right. Now I just want that thing to go off and I'll be a happy guy. Yeah. Okay, fish number 3. Same name is a pike. Trying to get this hook out of him. All from the same hole. I meant to try and catch this one on video, but I got a little too excited because he pulled really hard, so I thought he was bigger. Oh well, let's get this out of you, pal. You really got this one, huh? I know. I'm sorry, man. You really bit down on this. There we go. There he is. All from the same hole. Down he goes. Still nothing on that guy. And sure enough, but 5 minutes after I put that one back down, this guy went off. My battery's dead. Here he goes, fish number 4. All right, I'm gonna save the battery on this one, but there he is.